So just got to dig here now. This is where the pipe's coming into. Here, isn't it, William?
Yeah.
Back there. Back there. So I've got to dig a trench here now for the pipe to come there.
No. Yeah, well there's going to be a lot, right? But then when you come up the garage floor. Yeah. Yeah.
And you can branch that out, back out.
Yeah.
Back up to there.
Well, yeah, even though for quite years.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Whatever.
yeah.
Stay there. Stay there.
Dad don't want me to go for a little bucket up, but we have to take care of the older one, so I'm going to have to run up after. I'm going to run him up for him.
You ain't got a speed, has he? You've got it.
No, there's two spades.
Oh, is there?
Oh, yeah. Let's flatten this down. So, yeah, this is what I like. So there's roughly, I'd say about 15-20 centimeters of sand. and then that one over it. Probably 30 centimetres of stone.
Yeah.
Well, of stone, of soil.
Well, of the rubbish soil.
Yeah, let's say it like that. Then the mesh in. Then we're filling it back up. And we decided just to fill it all up and do some more trenches after for the fibre and the gate, because it was chucking it down, so we just said fill it back up, that's it. But yeah, it don't matter if they're on a separate, in a separate trench, just do it from there and there. I'm still waiting for an answer for Le Fibre to see who's cutting the road, because I went to see the mairie, they said no, you shouldn't cut it up. So I'm waiting for an answer for them.
I was talking, there was quite a few people on YouTube were saying that there's something that goes from one side of the road, the other side of the road, and it just like shoots it under rather than digging the road up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably one of them what you get with a big water pipe or something like that, and you probably one of them
pushes it through or something.
I haven't got a clue.
No.
And I need to bring them back up again to see what's happening. And yeah.
Yeah, well, you need this put in straight, don't you, for next week, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, after even, because next week's stonemason should be coming. But it don't matter even if it's after stonemason, as long as the house ain't finished with the garage floor and all that done. So that would be a bit of a problem. So.
And then footings have got to go in for the garage.
Yeah. So that's why as well, I've done all this. Should be 80, well, pipes and all that should be 80 deep, but even 80 is way too good. So everybody puts them at 60, but I think we've gone, I don't know, for a metre 10, something like that.
It's got to be 1.10 meters.
Down where the garage is, it's got to be
That's
at least
really deep,
a metre 10 or 20, 1 metre 20. But it's because we've got the foundations to do as well. The foundations has to be 60 underground. But so if we put the pipes at 60, then have to dig it back out again, we're going to hit the pipes.
Yeah.
So that's why I preferred just doing it a bit deeper. And yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So what I was saying is that why we take it in the spade and put it in the bucket is because the guy where I got this stuff from, the machine didn't have any scales, so we didn't know how much he put in. But the bags should be holding a ton, but the JCB can't pick it up. So we think there's about a ton, 1.5 ton in both of them, so there'd be 3 ton. So that's why we emptied them first.
Even the trailer had a job.
Even the trailer, the tyres are flat.
Yeah.
So yeah, trying to get them emptied a bit, so the JCB can take them in front, then when they're in front just get a spade and chuck it in the hole. Because it's a bit of a process.
Yeah, it's a bit faffing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit. But he's waiting for me.
had a bit of a storm not so long ago, didn't we,
It's
William?
really been raining again. We're soaked.
It hammered it down, didn't it?
Yes. But
So-
I've got a problem with my gutters. So the guy who did it, he followed the roof, but the roof is really bad. It's really wavy. So at one point, water is just staying there, getting filled up and going over it. So where the window's going to be, it's just dropping in front of there. So when you come in the house, it's going to be like a big shower kind of thing. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I have to have a talk to him and see. But yeah, I just got a pipe up there just to bring water away from the wall, because all the wall's getting water damp, and that's not good for the house.
And because you were standing there.
And because I was standing there getting wet, yes. So I was just under there. I don't know if it's got it on video or not, but I was just standing where Dad's filling that hole up. It was just smack on there.
So you're a bit wet, aren't you?
So yeah, well, I don't look wet, but my back and all that is just soaking. So. Well, we'll have to get it done. So.
The bike's coming down and hitting Mark JCB now. We're not laughing.
Good idea of mine, that was. I didn't want to get the walls wet, but Dad's getting wet now.
We're not laughing, are we, William?
Nope. Serious.